Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected students. This is your teacher Izhar Mahmood, and we are learning social study class 6th. Respected students, in our earlier classes we have learned civilization and empires of South Asia, and definitely we have learned many things regarding the civilization. Today this is your exercise class, but I consider it is important to once again to realize you, to memorize you the definition of civilization in brief detail. So the definition of the civilization is: a civilization is a complex human society, usually made up of different cities in many parts of the world. Early civilization formed when people began coming together. So this is when people began coming together in urban settlement. So this was all about the civilization. So respected student, how civilization of South Asia evolved, how empires of South Asia evolved. So we have discussed these classes thoroughly, and in today's class we are learning the question and answer session. This is question and answer session, but I was considering it was important for you to only to memorize you, because we are doing online studies. So most often the student forget the topic, that what the topic was about. So I realized you, and now we are moving toward question answer session. So the first question is: which modern countries make up of different which modern countries make up the subcontinent? द सबकॉन्टिनेंट में कौन कौन से ममालिक बनते हैं, या मॉडर्न कंट्रीज़ जो वजूद में आए हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं? सो द आंसर इज़ मॉडर्न कंट्रीज़ दैट मेक अप द सबकॉन्टिनेंट आर पाकिस्तान, इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, नेपाल एंड भूटान. सेकेंड नंबर क्वेश्चन: व्हाई वाज द सबकॉन्टिनेंट अ सूटेबल प्लेस फॉर सेटलमेंट? सबकॉन्टिनेंट लोगों के लिए क्यों एक अच्छा जगह था, एक जो है अट्रैक्टिव था, क्यों लोग आते थे यहाँ पर, क्यों लोग रह रहे थे? सो इन आवर अर्लियर क्लासेस वी हैव लर्न दैट सबकॉन्टिनेंट वाज अ प्लेस वेयर ऑल सोर्सेज वाज अवेलेबल इन abundance. So that is why people came here and they start living over here. So the answer is subcontinent always been a suitable place for settlement because basic resources for survival were available in abundance. For example, कौन कौन से basic resources थे survival के लिए? वो थे water, flatland for farming, natural resources like coastline, mountains, and the other mineral resources as well, etc. Okay, question number 3. How does studying different people living on the subcontinent help us today? Why it is important that we are learning the history? Why? Because the answer is because it helps us to understand how people, countries and system have evolved, and also know about the past of our nations. We will be able to know about the past of our nation, find out how cultures and traditions have developed, सकाफ़तें और तहज़ीबें किस तरह वजूद में आई हैं, plan our future by learning history, ताकि हम उस हिसाब से अपने फ्यूचर यानी मुस्तक़बिल के लिए लाए अमल मुरतब कर सकें. So this was all about the civilization and empire of South Asia. Question answer session. Please learn this and write down these in your neat copies. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.